Hi guys, how you doing? This one, bit odd. I had a small request on how to draw a mushroom. I know. So, we're going to make it a bit more fun. Not just any old mushroom. Because a mushroom really comes with just two shapes. It's like this one, which is like a rounded circle. And then you'd have this sort of cuboid shape, like that. Underneath, that's your basic mushroom. If you wanted to show it from below, you would just put that line over there, and then that would be the top. This would be the underneath of that. But let's make it a bit more fun. I mean, if you've played Mario games, you might see these sort of similar mushroom shapes here, or toadstools, maybe they are sometimes, and they have like the spots on them like this, don't they? But let's make ours into something fun as well now. So okay, we're going to draw an eye there, an eye there, a big smile, and draw some arms. Let's have him running, nice and dynamic. How cool is that already? Simple as that. You can make this. Awesome running mushroom. Let's pen the detail in. This one you can colour really nicely as well. You can put some really fun colours together in mushrooms. Mushrooms do come in all shapes and sizes. Really have a lot of fun with a mushroom. I mean, don't have fun with mushrooms, a lot of them are poisonous. But drawing a mushroom, go for your life. It's a fun thing to do. And it's such a simple shape, you can do so many different types. This little guy here is running. Don't know what he's running to or from. Maybe someone's trying to make him into a stroganoff. Now, I just dropped my pen. How silly is that? That hasn't happened before. Maybe it has. Not on video though. Here we go. Right, so let's have some fun in here as well. Let's give him a couple of teeth there. Let's miss out a tooth. There, put his tongue coming out there. We'll block out the rest of this in black. Lots of different styles of mouth that you can do. You can just do a big cheesy grin. You can do no teeth at all. You can just have him smiling or grumpy. So I'm going to do my little thumbs up. It's like he's doing a fun run or something. Look at this guy. Speed lines. A few speed lines on there. That's a fun mushroom. So thank you for the request on the mushroom. Any other requests people have? How to draw a cartoon? What do you want me to draw? And then I will show you how I draw it, and you can do it and develop it and colour it and make it wonderful. That's a mushroom. And I will see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com.